someone finds this. The event wasn't just one thing. It was a slow creep. No one said or did anything to stop them. It's our memory they want to wipe out.
This year, 72% of the world is under authoritarian rule.
We're now in a democratic recession, and it's endemic in Europe, in the United States, India, the Philippines.
Minorities silenced, dissenters arrested, social media cooperative.
We are worth more when we are addicted, polarized, and disinformed than if we are living, breathing, free citizens.
Where in New San Francisco have you visited?
If you don't have facts, you can't have truth. Without truth, you can't have trust.
We have faced wars and famines and genocides, but this is bigger than any of that.
It's too late for me. It may not be too late for you.